Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2012 Topps Heritage Box Break for the eBay auctions ended tonight. And I showed this box on the earlier video that I posted earlier in the week that was poorly oriented. There's a Topps logo, there's one right at the top of the bat I think I pointed out, so this is the same box. Not that Heritage is a super high-end product that would be worth doing that, but... Oh, it's a 63 buyback. Nice. This is an original 63 Topps card autographed. Oh no, it's not autographed. I thought they were all autographed, but it's Bob Bowman for the San Francisco Giants. So a little bonus hit that's better than those. Okay. Colby Lewis, and I don't know what all are short prints and stuff. I think actually Colby Lewis is one, but so I won't go through all that. But Colby Lewis, Giovanni Soto, Logan Morrison, John Lester, Hiroki Kuroda, 2012 Rookie Stars, and Penn State Save Penn Station flashback. Joe Mauer and 2011 NL batting leaders. (2012 Rookie Stars), Matt Kemp, Madison Bumgarner, Justin Masterson, Justin Morneau, Jorge Posada, Then and Now, Juan Marichal and James Shields, Blake DeWitt, Edwin Jackson. Brett Lowry, Russell Martin, Matt Cain, Brendan Bosch, Wandy Rodriguez, Jamie Carroll, Jimmy Rollins, Dodgers Big Three, John Jay. Daniel Murphy, CJ Wilson, Fernando Salas, Jeff Samardzija, Salvador Perez, Jed Lowry, Johnny Venters, Joakim Soria, and Kirk Gibson. (2012 Rookie Stars), Tim Stauffer, Derek Holland, Drew Stubbs, Chris Sale, Kosuke Fukudome, Josh Willingham, Alan Craig, Desmond Jennings. Melky Cabrera, 2011 NL Pitching Leaders, Cole Hamels, Pablo Sandoval, Alejandro De Aza, R.A. Dickey, Brandon Beachy, 2012 Rookie Stars, and Adrian Gonzalez. Ricky Romero, Terry Collins, Skip Schumacher, Michael Morse, Ian Kinsler, Martin Prado, really, but Sandy Koufax, Alan Craig, Alexi Casilla. Chris Schwinden, Cliff Lee, Michael Young, Jonathan Papelbon, Juan Pierre, Drew Storen, Brandon Belt, Bobby Abreu, Yadier Molina. Jimmy Paredes, Andrew Bailey, Alberto Caspo, Austin Jackson, Nick Markakis, Guillermo Moscoso, Prince Fielder, and that is some sort of parallel. It's like, I don't know all the parallels and SPs for this, but that's the inverse one, I think. Carlos Quentin, and 2012 Rookie Stars. Francisco Rodriguez, Jameel Weeks, Mark Trumbo, Carlos Santana, Lance Berkman, Cleveland Indians, Todd Helton, Ryan Dempster, Yorvit Torrealba. And pretty deep in this box for not having any kind of an insert. Jacoby Ellsbury, Jay Bruce, Koji Uehara, Jerry Sands, Ubaldo Jimenez, St. Louis Cardinals, CC Sabathia, Craig Kimbrell, Cameron Maybin. Manny Acta, Matt Downs, Mark Teixeira, Elvis Andrus, Michael Brantley, Minnesota Twins, Omar Infante, Tigers, Twirlers, Valverde and Verlander, and Shearholtz. Javi Guerra, Johnny Peralta, Randy Wolf, J.J. Putz, Jose Valverde, Boston Red Sox, Mike Stanton sticker, Michael Pineda, and Kendrys Morales. Nick Hagedorn, Friendly Foes, Vogelsong and Ethier, Michael Bourne, Kyle Weiland, Jacob Turner, Mike Moustakas, Shane Victorino, Johan Santana, Emilio Bonifacio. Wilson Ramos, Neil Walker, Marcos Scudero, Danny Duffy, 2012 Rookie Stars, Chicago White Sox, Cliff Lee sticker. Kevin Gregg, and Red Sox Smashers, Gonzalez and Ortiz. AL ERA leaders, Mike Trout, Miguel Cabrera, Dan Haren, Brian Wilson, Mike Scotia, Tim Hudson, Chrome. Those are numbered out. Oh, that's a refractor, numbered out of 563. 2012 Rookie Stars, Hanley Ramirez. Ron Gardenhire, Addison Reed, Charlie Manuel, Brett Gardner, Kyle Farnsworth, Stephen Drew, Al Kaline, Eduardo Nunez, Tim Lincecum. I think there's 7 packs left and no relic autograph yet. Adam Jones, Carlos Ruiz, Carlos Pena, Felix Hernandez, Lucas Duda, 2012 Rookie Stars. Then and Now, Yastrzemski and Cabrera, JP Arancibia, Francisco Cervelli. Brent Morel, Tribe Thumpers, Cabrera and Santana, Ryan Vogelsong, Ryan Braun, Mark Burley, 2011 NL Strikeout Leaders, and Adrian Beltre, Chrome. Freddie Freeman, Tom Malone. I can't go away. Sorry. Adam Dunn, Starlin Castro, Tyler Clippard, Jason Hayward, Yuniesky Betancourt, and there's the relic. Tim Hudson for the Braves. Neftali Feliz, David Murphy. Casey Janssen, Austin Ramin, Alex Rodriguez, Vance Worley, Scott Baker, Santiago Casilla, Pope John Paul VI, 2012 Rookie Stars, Jared Parker. Three more packs out here. Matt Moore. A lot of these cards look like they're dinged in the bottom corner. The first one out of the pack. Derek Holland, Darwin Barney, Albert Pujols, Mike Minor, 2012 Rookie Stars, Ricky Romero Chrome. Another 2012 Rookie Stars, Lance Lynn. Jesus Montero, Corey Hart, Chase Headley, Robinson Cano, Ryan Madsen, Cody Ross, New Age Performers, Matt Kemp, Ron Washington, Tim Federowicz. And the last pack, Daniel Descalso, Jason Kipnis, Chad Billingsley, Daniel Hudson, Buster Posey, Pittsburgh Pirates, and Evan Longoria sticker. 2011 AL Pitching Leaders, wins, I guess, yeah. Jared Hughes, so nothing spectacular. The hit was the Tim Hudson. Be sure to add us to your favorite sellers. Check out what we got up for the weekend. I put up they're sitting over there, Tier 1, Gypsy Queen, and a Bowman Chrome. There's also a Bowman Chrome case break. It's about half full, so check that out. There's a few spots left in a Topps Tribute break if you want something a little more high-end. And I'll be putting up another museum collection, so add us to your favorite sellers, and I appreciate your business. We'll get your cards out and then over the weekend here. Thanks again.